ducks too.
Got a group of 2 filming at 3 o'clock.
That thing just hovering right there. So tempted.
They're sitting directly above us.
The ducks behind us coming in. Ducks are dropping in too. Ducks in front of us too.
Pitches were low.
Ducks are too. Ducks are playing. Ducks go away. You got a mini tornado.
Huh?
You got a mini tornado. Oh, they're looping. Oh, there's more ducks coming in. Play with the ducks. Here they come. Straight down.
Geese or ducks?
Geese. Look at them dancing above us. They were putting on a show over there earlier. The little twists and turns. Beautiful. Ducks too. We got ducks in a spread. Looks like, or no, just small geese. No, there's ducks above us. That's why I hope it's filming. What?
We got tar belly coming.
See,
so
patience.
close.
Patience. He's still buzzing us. I've been wanting to shoot the whole time.
Was there a lot of birds above us or not?
Yeah. One right on top of us.
Up right here, and I got this 5-pack.
Ooh, I want to shoot so bad.
Same.
I want to shoot, but I don't want to shoot.
I want to shoot just one, but take them down. Dicks out for Harambe. Dicks out for Dixie. Dicks for Dixie? Oh, that one was like 12 feet over.
I know.
That's a good group above us.
He's just right in front of us too.
We're gonna kill this big group next circle. It comes down.
There's a couple in front of us playing around.
You can hear the wind off their wings.
Go for it.
Yeah.
This is.
Look at this, Judy.
I hope this GoPro's filming.
Oh, there we go.
One right in front of us. Look, about to land on top of us.
Keep hanging, we banging. Can I get him? Or, nope, wait.
Keep
Keep an eye on him.
Yeah.
He didn't come down, he went back up.
They went back up. When this repack dropped in.
You get 3.
Feet hanging, we bang.
He's still buzzing. Ooh, it's a shoot him. He's coming right above us.
Bust the tower.
Yeah. That's why I wanted to shoot him so bad. He'd come right at us.
Oh, fucking fingers on the safety right now, ready to sling it.
Like you say, you had a good field hunt so far. Start.
Yeah. Oh, he's trying to commit.
This 3-pack comes down, we'll kill him.
He's wanting to commit.
Now they all leaving. Shit.
There's that other Ross that keeps running around.
Is that one still in the blunt in the decoy?
No, he's buzzing the side over here.
With the 3-pack lead. There's 3 left, right?
Where? Yeah, they left.
Okay.
This one's coming back by. You want to get him?
Yep.
Where's he at?
Right here.
Lots of smoking.
Got him!
I love that.
Dixie!
God, I love that film.
Yeah.
That bird took like 3
Listen,
shots.
boys, we have anything out there?
Good girl!
There's a bunch right there.
We got ducks up.
Come here. Come here, girl. Good girl. They might hit him twice. I think you hit her the third. Just finished him.
Yeah.
I'm like,
Glad those birds worked
Hey,
like they did because that was pretty damn
come here.
cool.
Come here. Here. Bring it here. No.
How about the P2?
These are. I got 7 birds here.
Come here. Here. Kennel. 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 Here. 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 Kennel. Sit. Go, 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 go. Yes, you earned your keep today, girl.
Gotta make up for the last couple hunts.
That was a good shot. I'm gonna need to reload.
Hello? Yeah, he's a juvie. Juvenile IA. I gotta piss so bad.
Dude, I'm fucking hurting right now.
We got a solo over here on the right.
I got his ass. If he comes in, can I get this one? Or not?
Where's it at?
To our right. Left, sorry.
I've got 4 birds working right here.
Okay. We'll save it for 4. Snow geese aren't very smart.
No, they don't, especially juvies.
Kind of like two, like this.
I love that film.
They're kind of like us.
Yeah.
I think it's fun. Like a football coming out of the sky.
Lay down.
Where's that single you had?
He's gone. Thought it was gonna be foggy today.
Who's getting snacks, chats?
Slut chats. They're still